Top 6 vitamins for vision and eye health. Good vision is an essential part of overall health and quality of life. A healthy diet, rich in vitamins and minerals, plays a crucial role in maintaining vision and eye health. Here are the top 6 vitamins that can help you achieve that. 1. Vitamin A. Role *. Vision in low light. Vitamin A is essential for the production of rhodopsin, a protein in the retina that helps detect dim light. Corneal health. Vitamin A maintains the moisture and function of the cornea, the clear outer layer of the eye. Food sources *. Liver, fish, eggs, dairy products, orange and yellow fruits and vegetables, e.g., carrots, sweet potatoes, pumpkins. Leafy green vegetables, e.g., spinach, kale. Recommended dosage *. Men, 700 to 900 micrograms per day. Women, 600 to 700 micrograms per day. Note: consuming too much vitamin A can be toxic. The maximum intake for adults is 3,000 micrograms per day. 2. Vitamin C. Role *. Powerful antioxidant. Vitamin C protects the eyes from damage caused by free radicals, helping to prevent age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. Collagen production. Vitamin C is needed for the production of collagen, an important protein that helps maintain the shape and function of the cornea. Neurotransmitter. Vitamin C is involved in the production of neurotransmitters, which are essential for clear vision. Food sources *. Citrus fruits, e.g., oranges, lemons, grapefruits. Berries, e.g., strawberries, blueberries. Kiwi, bell peppers. Broccoli. Tomatoes. Recommended dosage: 65 to 90 milligrams per day for adults. 3. Vitamin E. Role *. Antioxidant. Vitamin E protects eye cells from damage caused by free radicals, helping to prevent AMD and cataracts. Blood vessel health. Vitamin E supports healthy blood vessels in the eyes, ensuring adequate oxygen and nutrients are delivered to the eye cells. Food sources *. Nuts, e.g., almonds, walnuts. Seeds, e.g., sunflower seeds. Green vegetables. Fruits. Recommended dosage: 15 milligrams per day for adults. 4. Vitamin B2, riboflavin. Role *. Enzyme function. Vitamin B2 is involved in many metabolic processes in the body, including energy production. Corneal protection. Vitamin B2 helps maintain the integrity of the cornea and prevents cataracts. Night vision. Vitamin B2 is needed for the production of rhodopsin, which helps improve vision in low light conditions. Food sources *. Milk, eggs, meat, fish, leafy green vegetables. Recommended dosage *. Men, 14 years and older, 1.3 milligrams per day. Women, 14 years and older, 1.1 milligrams per day. 5. Vitamin D. Role *. Bone health. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium, which is needed for strong bones. Immune function. Vitamin D supports a healthy immune system. Eye health. Vitamin D may help prevent AMD, cataracts, and other eye problems. Food sources *. Fatty fish, e.g., salmon, tuna. Egg yolks. Fortified milk. Sunlight. The body can also produce vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. Recommended dosage: 600 to 800 IU per day for adults. 6. Vitamin B6. Role *. Neurotransmitter production. Vitamin B6 is involved in the production of neurotransmitters, which are essential for brain function and vision. DNA and red blood cell production. Vitamin B6 plays a role in the production of DNA and red blood cells. Eye health. Vitamin B6 may help prevent age-related eye diseases such as cataracts and macular degeneration. Food sources *. Poultry, fish, beans, nuts, vegetables. Recommended dosage: 1.3 to 1.7 milligrams per day for adults. Important notes: consult your doctor. Before taking any vitamin supplements, consult your doctor for advice and to determine the appropriate dosage for you. Balanced diet. It's best to get vitamins and minerals from a balanced diet that includes a variety of fresh and nutritious foods. Supplements when needed. Supplements can be helpful in some cases, but they should not replace a healthy diet.